Hello, my name is Chong. I am founder of DIY Taiko. It's a project to design affordable, portable, collapsible, and effective practice taiko. When I was in Hawaii as a fellow of the Taiko Center of the Pacific in 2005 to 2016, I realized I need way more practice time, and there is just not that many chance I could practice outside rehearsal. So I had an idea to build practice drum out of PVC pipe. The story of using PVC pipe probably start way before making this practice drum. I have always been living in living rooms in New York City for 2 years, and then in Pittsburgh actually also for 2 years. And in Pittsburgh, the living room space was just perfect for an individual room if I can build a wall. So I had this idea to use PVC pipe to build a wall along with bookshelves, and slowly I actually built in 2 clothing rack for my wall. I guess because of that, I become pretty good in using PVC pipe. Same thing that people have been saying, oh, you play Lego when you're small. I also like to play something called Kinex, I believe. So it's mainly to build structure with very rudimentary elements, such as just a stick and then some joints. I also want to show you some basic PVC cutting that if you don't have any experience of working with PVC pipes, may feel intimidating. It's actually really simple. So I have a piece of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, and with me I have 2 different kind of cutting tools. One is a ratchet PVC cutter, and another one is a wheel style cutter. They use different mechanism to cut a PVC pipe, and they have the advantage. So the first one, I'll demonstrate the ratchet PVC cutter. Ratchet, meaning you cut it one step at a time, and the cutter will hold the blade for you. As always, when you cut up the pipe, you want to make a marking first. So I make a mark here, and I want to cut on this location. So basically, you just slowly close the blade, and it will cut into the pipe. Really easy. So with the ratchet PVC cutter, it's very simple and fast actually. The downside is that if you want precision, if you want a straight cut, it's almost impossible. And so you can see with the square, this pipe is so not straight. I mean, the cut is so not straight. So if you want a straight cut, you will want to use this one. Alright, the way it works the way it works, there is a round blade here, and I will put my pipe inside. It's hard to make it show to the camera. Alright, now I have put the pipe, secure the pipe between the blade and the lower portion, which includes a fretted rod that you can close in. So when I have secured the blades on the PVC pipe, what you want to do is to turn. So by making the turn, it automatically give you a straight cut. And so once you give it 1 or 2 rounds, you can tighten this knob that pushes the blade close more into the pipe. And again, do another round, twist the knob and do another round. And here I got a really straight cut. See, pretty good. So the downside of using this tool is that it's slower. When the pipe gets larger, you may need a larger one. With the ratchet cutters, it can cut pretty thick pipe. And it could be quite tiring to use this style of tools because the other hand has to hold on to the pipe while you turn the cutter. Yeah, so this is basic PVC cutting. Obviously, there will be more to it, but you just have to practice, and practice makes perfect. I have been doing this for quite a few years, and I have built a wall. So it's like practicing taiko.